Idzi. Ar ddechrau'r hanner cynta, mae'n gamsyniad fan hyn wedi llithro. A Cummings I mewn ar ergyd, ac mae rhaid I McCormick arbed yn gynnar iawn yn yr hanner cynta. O fewn y munudau agoriadol yma. Edwards. Cummings yn taclo. Carroll. Tuag at Vickers, gwaith da, Vickers I glymannu. Bron heibio i'r golwr, ond mae tro'n McCormick yn achub tîm cartre. O fewn y 5 munud agoriadol, mae Terry McCormick wedi gorau gwneud 2 arbediad. Morgan yn y canol, yn brwydro gyda Mendes. Mendes sy'n ennill hon. Ac yn bwydo Ashley Rwan i'r Cwt Cosby. Dim cefnogaeth ar hyn o bryd. Nawr mae Chris Aberystwyth yn cyrraedd. A Madi y tu ôl. Dyma Baines. Clymani i'r canol o'r peniad gan Walker I gefn y rwyd! Declan Walker yn dathlu Caerfyrddin sydd wedi bod yn pwyso a creu'r cyfleon. Ond croesiau gwych gan Wes Baines. A does dim eisiau 2 gyfle ar Declan Walker. Carroll, Hanbury, yr eilydd, curoedd un lle. Bale mas at Bowen ar y postyn pella. Digon o floio, mae'n I fod na law. Ac ar ôl ystyried yr mater am rhai eiliadau, Iwan Griffith y dyfarnwr yn rhoi honna. Luke Bowen ar ergyd. Yn erbyn Steph Edwards ar amddiffynwr. Liam Thomas i'r ymwelwyr. 7 gôl y tymor un yn barod. A Thomas yn rhwydo eto. I 8 o'r tymor felly. Ond yn bwysicach na hynny am y tro. Caerfyrddin nôl yn ddi. Not. Mlaen mae Bowen na. Dyw ddim yn cael sefyll, a mae Bowen yn fflachio ergyd. Gwastraffu'r cyfle yn y diwedd. A Declan Carroll yn paratoi, hyrddio. Un tawliad arall I mewn i'r canol, mae hon yn uchel. Matthew Jones. Peniad Carroll ar y middle cwrt yn taro honna. Fe symudodd i'n hwyr. A fe fydd rhaid I Terry McCormick y golwr. Gadw llygad barcud ar honna.
Nev Powell, the run comes to an end. Was it a fair result, do you think?
Looking at the first half, the chances we had, you know, we'd have liked to think we could have gone in. Another goal up maybe, but it wasn't to be. You know, you say the run comes to an end. In my eyes, it probably hasn't because we're still unbeaten. It was important we didn't go and lose that game, you know, and I think maybe 12 months ago we might have gone on and lost the game. So it's, you know, it's another point to where we want to be. So you know, it's we never got beat. And as you say, we played some good stuff first half, and we struggled a bit second half. But you know, there wasn't a lot of chances in the game second half, and as you say, they've got the penalty and they've took it, and we finished equal.
The win played a little bit of a part in it throughout. So yeah, I think both teams would be quite happy with the point. It was a game of limited chances, if I'm honest. So yeah, it's a good result for us. It continues our little run, and obviously on the back of the run that they're on, which is really good at the moment. It's probably a fair point.
Lee Simon, starting a game for the 400th time today in the Welsh Premier League. You must be quite proud looking back.
Yeah, you know, it's come out of the blue really, you know. I was aware that I was getting towards the latter stages of that, but if I had known, I'd have had a shave because I don't want to look like I've played 400. But yeah, good achievement, I suppose.
How do you maintain that form, and how do you keep playing and keep going out and still performing to those same levels for so long?
It's tough really, just keep working hard. I don't know, I think I still feel nervous before every game. You know, I still get excited, you know, so I still love the game. To the point where I was coaching a bit, but then I stopped because I just wanted to concentrate more on playing. So 32 now, I feel as good as I've ever felt, you know, in games. So I just think now, just keep playing for as long as I can.
Any particular highlights jump out from all those games?
To be honest, such a tough league. You never really have a spell where you dominate. But Welsh Cup final that we lost, but the run in that season, playing in Europe, you know, a few European appearances. But the league's been great to me, and it's a fantastic league. I wouldn't say I'm a defender of it, you know. I wouldn't say it's necessarily getting better because there's been some fantastic players, but certainly going in the right direction, I think.
Well, we're in a fantastic position where we want to be. You know, as you say, we're only 3 points from top of the league, and whatever happens, you know, we've got tough games ahead, but the players are ready for the challenge, and you know, it shows how far we've come when they come in and they're drawn 1-1 and they're disappointed in the dressing room because you know, we thought we were probably worth the 3.
Yeah, extending that gap between yourselves and the relegation zone, closing it between yourselves and the 6th place as well. That's really important points, isn't it?
Yeah, getting any points on the board at the moment, as I said previously, is important. Everyone's beating everybody, but you know, we can only control what we can control, so it's important that we keep ticking our board and like you said, hopefully climbing towards 6th and climbing away from the bottom.